Hello, welcome. This is a tutorial about a tool called easygenerator that I found when I was researching for this project. I wanted to look at some free authoring tools, and easygenerator is one of the best reviewed free authoring tools that I found. So this is going to be a very brief tutorial about how to use this tool. It's a cloud-based authoring tool that enables instructional designers and subject matter experts to create engaging courses with the highest learning impact. easygenerator is affordable and it's very easy to use. It's used and loved by so many by over 5,000 people in 120 countries. And the creator of this program is from the Netherlands. I'm going to go up here to the pricing tab first to show you some different pricing levels. So you can get the free version, which is what I'll be using today. And there's a starter version for $19 a month, the plus for $39 a month, and it goes on up. The more you pay, the main difference with this is that you get more question types. So with the free version, you only get 2 question types, but we're going to be using that today, like I said. Now, okay, there we go, back at the prices. Now I'm going to click on the features here, talk a little bit about why this authoring tool is considered to be really great. This is set up for beginners to be able to design instruction, even if they don't know very much at all about e-learning. And one of the greatest things about it is that its learning objectives are at the center of the whole design process, just like in the instructional design models. So it ensures a structured approach by creating learning objectives in the beginning, and you have to align your content with the learning objectives. It forces you to make a learning objectives before you do anything else. Another great part of this tool is the learner assessment feature. Of course, there's questions and assessments, and it makes it easy to measure the progress based on the questions answered correctly, and it connects the learning outcome to the learning objectives. So with this tool, you put the content in right after you make a question, you add content. And the greatest thing about this tool that I've found so far when I read all the reviews is that it uses adaptive learning. Now what that means is that as the learner answers questions, the learning is customized based on what they answer. So, and the learner can see progress that he or she is making in the course, and it also gives personalized study advice based on the progress that the learner is making. They have control over which objectives they want to look at next, and it makes the learning more fun and it meets their individual needs. Now, one of the great things about this tool is that you can collaborate with others. You can invite others to add content to your course, or you can invite your clients to look at what you've done on the web without having to publish it first. There is a blog tab up here, and the blog I found to be very useful. There's a lot of great articles and videos embedded in the blog, and of course over here on the right there's all the topics that you can click on to read articles they've written on the blog. On the resources tab up here, there's videos that you can watch and webinars, which are a little bit longer. All of these things are very helpful. There's a help tab here for support, and most of the reviews that I read said that the support was very helpful as well. The creators of this tool are really trying to change the e-learning industry so that even beginners can create really high quality work, and that it makes it easier for everyone. So I'm going to now go I'll click on a different tab here, and I'm going to go back. I've already signed in. It's very easy to start using this tool. You just get a user profile and create a password, and you're in. So I've already signed in. Here's my name up here. And it's one of the things I like about it is it's very simple workflow and a simple interface. You click on, these are your courses. When I click on this, I will see all the courses that I have made. And there's also some down here that were designed, they were already in here. They are like demo courses that you can take. But then here's a few that I've made. So I'm going to show you how you create a new course right now. Oh, and one more thing before I go to that. The library is up here. And when you click on the library, it has all of the graphics that you've used in your courses. It stores them all in the library. That makes it really easy. If you use, say, a video or a graphic in one of your courses, you can use it in other ones as well. It just stores it in your library. Now, to create a new course, you click on New Course right here. And you can bring in a PowerPoint if you want to, or you can create one from scratch, which I'm going to show you how to do here. You type in a title for your course, which we could say anything. We could do something very simple, but I'm going to do a course called How to Make Iced Tea. I just wanted to find a very simple thing that I could demo for you. And of course you can add an introduction here that as long as you want to. I don't feel like I need to add it for this. So I'm going to move on to the objectives. Then you create an objective. And if you need help with your learning objectives, they have a learning objective maker, which I found to be really great. You click on this and it takes you to another tab where when you create a new learning objective, it asks you who the learner is. You have to tell who the audience is, and then it asks you to create your objective. It makes you put in the action verbs, the task, the condition, and the level at which your learner will be able to master your objective. I think that's really great, especially when you have a very complicated course that you're trying to design. I feel like that would really help a lot of people. So I'm going to just type a simple learning objective here, and I'm going to say the learner will make iced tea with 80% accuracy. That should be fairly easy to master. Alright, after you write your objective, you say new item, and then it gives you a choice down here for some test items. So this could be a pre-assessment, or you could just add content such as text or videos or any type of content that you want to add. So let's click on the content tab first. You can title your content, and then you can click here. And as you can see up here, it gives you options for photos, charts, media that you can embed, music. So I don't have any to embed here, but I could look up a video of someone making iced tea, and I could embed the video here if I wanted to. And then I would be done. Now I'm going to click here. Whoops, you can add some more content, whatever you need to do. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a question. So you click on single choice question, and there's only 2 types of questions in this free version. But so I might type a question such as this: to make iced tea, a person needs, and then you could list the things that they need down here. You put in your answers here: saucepan, water, and tea bags and so forth. And then you go on down and you tell it what the response would be for a correct answer and what would be a wrong response. That's pretty simple. Now, after you get the design done, you can also, when you get ready, when you've created all your content, your questions and so forth, you can choose a template, which I'm going to choose the simple course. And there's a simple course, and this is the lava lamp demo course that I told you about earlier. I'm not sure why this popped up, but anyway, you tell it, you use a template, and the templates are very simple. I believe it wants me to type in my username, my email address and such. So you can, then after you select your template, after you select your design template from your options here, you can also select your colors, I believe. Yes, the template settings. You can add logos. You can, there's a lot of different font choices in this software, which I really love. You can pick a color scheme, such as gray or black, any way that you want to do it to change the look and feel of your course. And then last but not least, you can publish your course. And I'm going to show you really quickly how to do that. So you tell whether you want a private link. You can publish to your LMS, inside a website, to your own hosting site, or you can get a link to your course so that you can sell it. So when you click here, you should get a private link. It's asking me questions here. Let's see. Anyway, you get a private link. There's my link. I can copy it, and I can go over to a new window, paste in the link that I just got, and it should give me my course that I just designed. And once again, it wants my name to say my course is called How to Make Iced Tea, and that's pretty much how it works. So all in all, I find this tool to be very easy. I haven't explored it all the way as much as I would like to, but based on everything I read, and you can look at my research document for more information, I really feel like it is a worthwhile tool to investigate, and I plan on using it some more. Thanks for listening.